Hello all, we are going to view creating an account on Core Dealer Portal. Type portal.core.com.tr on your web browser. Click on Become a Dealer. Fill in information about your company and click on Submit. After clicking Submit, your application will be transferred to the Core system, and when approved, an email will be sent to you to create a password. After creating your password, in the window that will open by clicking on the link in the email, your account creation will be completed. The touch panels you purchase will be automatically assigned to your account with their serial numbers. You can add users to your account, create projects, assign project roles to users, and add sub-dealers. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.